Everything inside this box right here. Let's check it out. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the Adventures of Onemike, and I am Onemike. Had to come in, tap in with y'all real quick, show y'all these new cops that I got. Everything inside this box right here. Let's check it out. I got a shirt and some shoes, but I think I'm gonna start with the shoes first. Got these joints. Yeah, some good old Foamposites. Can't go wrong with these joints. Yes, I haven't bought no foams in a while, man, but I seen these, you know, like I said, looked different, something outside of the ordinary, the colors anyway that I would get. And like I say, I like this blue. It's kind of like almost like a Carolina Tar Heel blue. Matter of fact, that's what it is, like a Tar Heel blue. Yes, one thing I always liked about Foamposites is that they're comfortable and they always last a long time. So this particular colorway of the Nike Foamposites, University Blue, they originally came out back in March 27th, 2026. The original price point was at $240. Oh yeah, but I like these. But before I try them on, let me show y'all the shirt that I got to go with it. God damn. Yeah. This is the shirt right here. It's a plain joint, Nike joint to go with the shoe. You see? Everything matching. Yes, indeed, man. Man, I'm not gonna lie, YouTube. At first, when I held the T-shirt up to show y'all what it looked like, the first thing that came in my mind was like, oh man, I think I got this shirt too damn big. But then now that I put it on, it actually fits. Still got a little room in it, you know what I mean? Nice jump. Good for the $35. But yeah, man, the shirt, like the shirt and the shoes, man. We looking good, baby. Okay, y'all, so for the Nike Air Foamposites, I paid $179.99 for them, which was a good deal. And for the Nike Air Futura T-Shirt, $35, man. If you're watching the video up until this point, I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop. Share the video. I'm gone.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this ain't